Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Phantom Wallet. Let's begin. So in order to do this, you're first going to have to create a Binance account, and then afterwards, you're going to have to deposit some funds into that Binance account. So you're going to choose a funding method that suits you, such as a bank transfer, credit/debit card, or cryptocurrency transfers. Then you're going to deposit the desired amount. Afterwards, you are going to buy XRP on Binance. Go to the trade section and select spot. Search for the XRP/USDT or XRP/BTC trading pair, depending on the cryptocurrency you deposited. Place a market order to buy XRP at the current market price. So if this is available in your region, P2P, then you are going to use it to buy XRP directly from other Binance users. This can sometimes offer better rates. Afterwards, you're going to withdraw that XRP to your Phantom wallet. Go to the Binance wallet and select withdraw. So after selecting withdraw, you're going to choose XRP as the cryptocurrency to withdraw. Then you're going to enter your Phantom wallet address in the recipient field, and then you're going to specify the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Then you're going to pay any transactional fees. Then you're going to confirm the withdrawal. And there you go. Hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.